So today, you'll learn how to reverse videos in CapCut Desktop. So the first step is to open your project. It can be an older project that you are working on previously, or it can be a new one. So for me, I'll be using a new project. So I'll click on Create Project. And then once the project has been created, you should see this blank space where you can now start editing. So from here, you need to import the videos. So click on Import, and then it will open the File Explorer. Select your MP4 file, and then it will be added onto the import section. From here, you need to add it to the timeline. So click on this plus icon, or just drag and drop, and it's directly onto the timeline. So either way, the video will be added to the timeline. So first, I'm going to play the video to show you how it looks like when it's not reversed. So this is how the video is like before we do the reversal. And so now, when you're ready to reverse the clip, again, it's fairly simple. You want to ensure that you've actually selected the video. So it needs to be selected like this. And then once it's been selected, you should see this toolbar appearing on your screen. Go through the toolbar until you get to this icon here, which is a play button surrounded by a circle. So this is the reverse option, and you want to click on it. Once you've clicked on it, CapCut will start reversing the video, and depending on the size and length, it might take a while, so just wait patiently. And then once the reverse is complete, now you'll notice that whenever I play the video, it's playing from the back to the front, which means you've reversed it successfully. So now if you want to undo that reverse, just click on that icon again, and the reverse will be cancelled. If you want to reverse two clips at the same time, then it's fairly simple. So let me start by separating this clip into two parts. So you have those two parts now available for you to work with. So in order for you to reverse two clips at the same time, you want to start by selecting the first clip, then use the Control or Command feature on your keyboard, and then select the second clip at the same time. Once you've done that, you should see this menu appearing again. So you want to click on Reverse, and then both of them will be reversed. So now when you play your video, you can see it's in two separate clips, and those two clips are also reversed at the same time, which makes it easy, especially if you want to reverse a lot of clips and you don't want to go through them one by one. And then when you want to undo the reverse video, again, just select two of them using Command or Control, and then click on that icon, and the reverse will be cancelled. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and we'll get back to you.